These are some of the features you'll find in the Limelight collection. This is your diverter valve. This has 3 different positions. It'll change the pressure from one side to the other, more intense or less intense. It'll also equally distribute the pressure all the way around. This is where you'll find your salt system cartridge and your IQ system. These are the comfort controls. These will increase or decrease the amount of pressure on each of your seats. This is your filter compartment. These are the 2 filters you'll see in your filter housing. The gray one, this one is a 24-hour circulation pump. This one is tied to your major jet pump, which is used when your jet pumps are on. These little jets can be pointed in different directions for more of a precise massage. These middle jets can be moved left to right physically. That will turn off or down the pressure. The same thing with the bigger jets. These bigger jets can be angled for a better precision. If your spa has a waterfall, this is what that looks like. You may see 4 of these in your hot tub. These are the speakers for the sound system. If you chose to get the sound system, they'll be connected to a Bluetooth module and a subwoofer. If you did not get the sound system, you still will see these speakers, so they'll be ready for a sound system in the future. This is the water return. This is where the heat will get pushed into your hot tub. You will see 1 to 4 suction fittings like this, depending on the model that you chose. This takes water from the unit to your jet pumps, back to your jets for more pressure. This is the diagnostic badge. If the top light and the bottom light and the green light are on, then you're all good. If this top light is off, that means your temperature is 2 degrees higher or lower than the set temperature that you put it at. If it's blinking, that means your salt system needs attention. If the blue light is off, that means it's in protection mode, which shuts the heater off, and that's typically due to a dirty filter. To see all the different light codes, reference the user manual that came with the hot tub or hotspringspas.com under Owners. On the control side of the hot tub, towards the bottom, you will see a drain. You can connect a hose to this drain and direct the water where you need it to go. This is the controller for the Limelight hot tub. To see a more in-depth tutorial, we have a different video on our YouTube page.